I can't find my hat, but I'm just gonna go with it. What's up everyone? Today I got my steamer out because I'm showing you not one, not two, but 3 ways to make Chinese steamed fish. And I know, cooking fish can get quite messy sometimes. That's why today I will save you the trouble and show you how you can get one of these frozen fillets into something amazingly delicious in 20 minutes or less. Let's get started. My name is Andong and this is how to cook Chinese style steamed fish. Okay, real quick before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Every Thursday I am sharing my favorite recipes and so much more. You will not regret it, I promise. But let's get back to our fish. First, get your fish fillets out and bring them to room temperature. I used cod, but this is a simplified recipe, so really you can use any white fish you like. And now we need to steam those guys. For that, I am using my bamboo steamer. I'm adding a little bit of water, and I'm placing a plate right inside. What's that? You don't have a bamboo steamer? Think of getting one for next time because they're actually very affordable. But for now, no reason to worry. Simply place your steaming plate on an upside down bowl, just like that. It does the trick just fine. Now we need to build a little steaming rack made from spring onions and ginger on our plate. This will help circulate the steam more evenly, but more importantly, it's gonna add a whole lot of flavor. Place your fish fillets on top and add some more ginger pieces. Now bring your water to a boil and steam lid on for about 7 minutes on medium heat. Okay, our fish is done steaming now. We can remove the ginger and scallion pieces and discard the liquid on the plate. That liquid is actually said to contain Sheng Way. Sheng Way is like that nasty taste of rawness, and it's like the villain, the bad guy in Chinese cooking. Chinese chefs are often really obsessed with getting rid of Sheng Way from things like meat, but also eggs and even some vegetables. It's like one of these fun, almost philosophical elements of the whole Chinese cooking cosmology. But back to our fish, we are ready for the first way to serve it. The famous Hangzhou Westlake Shihu Cuyu style. Begin by mixing some dark rice vinegar, sugar, a good glug of soy sauce, some minced ginger, and a bit of starch dissolved in water for thickening. Let your sauce boil up for a few seconds. Now place your fish on a plate and pour over that delicious sweet and tangy sauce. Lastly, garnish with spring onions. And your Westlake style steamed fish is ready to eat. And up next, the essential soy sauce steamed fish, or the Ching Chong style. Again, start by placing your fillet on a serving plate. Drizzle with soy sauce, add thinly sliced ginger and thinly sliced spring onions. Pro tip, if you add your thinly sliced spring onions into ice water for around 10 minutes, they get all nice and curly, which looks very chefy and cool. Now sprinkle with some dried chili flakes on top, and my favorite step, drizzle with some smoking hot oil. And here you go, Ching Chong style steamed fish. And last but not least, something that is a little inspired by the Hunan school of Chinese cooking. This is the Swan style. You know the drill, first plate your fish. Top with a generous amount of minced garlic. Add some finely chopped fresh chilies, drizzle with soy sauce and some vinegar, and again pour over some blistering hot oil. Garnish with spring onions and it's the Swan style steamed fish. There you have it guys, 3 styles of Chinese steamed fish. I am curious, which style would you go for if you could only pick one? I'm sort of trying to get a better feel for your guys' taste, so let me know in the comment section below. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can find many delicious recipes and more fun stuff there. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video.